音読み前訓読み前 This kanji mean in front, before, in front or before. When you see this kanji, you should know that it means in front or before. So when you use this kanji with another kanji, you could know the meaning of that word. For example, we have like this. Gozen. Gozen is mean morning or AM. For example, we can create the sentence like 8時午前8時午前 is mean 8 o'clock in the morning, or you can say 8 a.m. 8 o'clock a.m. And when you create in the PM, you can say 午後 For example, 8時午後8時午後 is mean 8 o'clock in the evening or 8 p.m. 前日 is mean previous day. The kanji of zen is mean before, and the kanji of jitsu is mean the day. So when you put the kanji of before and the kanji of day together, it can mean like previous day or the day before. For example, we can create a sentence like 前日田中さんと会いました。前日田中さんと会いました。which means I met Mr. Tanaka-san previous day. Or if you want to create a sentence that you meet at the supermarket, you can say like 前日スーパーマーケットで田中さんと会いました。前日スーパーマーケットで田中さんと会いました。Which means the previous day I met Mr. Tanaka-san at the supermarket. 前後 is mean front and rear. The kanji of zen is mean before, and the kanji of go is mean after. So that means something happened and the beginning and the end of the situation that happened. And when we put the kanji zen and the kanji go together, it can mean like front and rear. For example, we can create a sentence like 前後の話 前後の話 which means the before and after the conversation. 前後の話 the before and the after the conversation. 事前 is mean prior or beforehand. The kanji of ji is means thing, and the kanji of zen is before. So that means the thing that you do before or the thing that you prepare before. So for example, you can create a sentence like 事前に連絡してください。事前に連絡してください。which means please contact me before. Please contact me before. 事前に準備していくことはありますか？ 事前に準備していくことがありますか which mean what to prepare before. Are there anything to prepare before? Are there anything to prepare before? Which mean 事前に準備しておくことがありますか以前is mean ago or previous. For example, 話した以前では which mean what we talk about previous or the previous that we talk about or that thing that we talk about in the moment ago or the thing that we talk about something that in the past. So you can say 話以前の話 which mean the thing that you talk in the past. For example, last minutes ago or 2 weeks ago or 3 days ago, you can say 以前の話 which mean the conversation that happened in the past. Or you can say previous conversation or the conversation that happened 2 weeks ago. 前回is mean previous time. The kanji of zen is mean before and the kanji of kai is mean time. So for example, nankai is mean how many times. So this means zenkai is mean the time that before. Zen is mean before and kai is mean time. So it's mean the time before, or you can say the previous time. So for example, you can create a sentence like 前回で会ったのはいつでしたか前回で会ったのはいつでしたか which means when we met each other for the previous time. When we met each other for the previous time. 前夜 is mean last night. 前 is mean before and ya is mean the night. So when you put together it mean the night before, or you can say like last night. 前夜は何時に寝ましたか前夜は何時に寝ましたか which mean what time did you sleep last night? What time did you sleep last night? 前夜は何時で寝ましたか前夜は9時で寝ました which mean I slept at 9 o'clock last night. 前半 is mean first half. The kanji of zen is mean before and the kanji of hang is mean half. So when you put the kanji of before and half, this mean the first half. Zen hang first half. 前半の話はどうでしたか前半の話はどうでしたか What is about the first half of talking? What is about the first half of the conversation? 前半の話はどうでしたか前進 is mean advance. The kanji of zen is mean before and the kanji of shin is mean the progress. So it means the progress that's going on in the future. So you can say create. So you can put when you put together, it can mean like advance. My is mean before or ago or previously. 名前 name 名前 is mean name. For example, what is your name? お名前は何ですか? お名前は何ですか? It means, what is your name? If you just say 名前 it means name, but it's not polite. It's just the normal. If you put the o, for example, like お名前, it also means the name, but it's in the polite form in Japanese language. So when you ask somebody name, you can say like お名前は何ですか? Or you just say like お名前は like this. So it means, what is your name? Sir, Mr. 前払い 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 is mean prepayment. 前 is mean before and 払い is mean payment. For example, you pay something, you can say 払います right? So when you put the kanji of 前 is mean before and the kanji of 払い or 払い is mean pay. So you can say prepayment. For example, when you send something to by using post office, they will say 前払い and 着払い. 前払い is mean you pay the cost before you send the package, and after the package arrive the destination, that the receipt person don't need to pay again. So they say 前払い. And the opposite side verb is mean 着払い. 着払い is mean after you don't pay first, but after the package arrives in that time, and the person who received the package will pay for the cost for delivery. So that means 着払い. 駅前 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 is mean in front of station. Eki is mean the station, and mai is mean before or front. So when we put the kanji eki and the kanji of mai together, we say eki mai, and it means in front of the station. For example, you can create a sentence like 駅前で待ちます。駅前で待ちます which means I will wait in front of the station. I will wait you in front of the bus, the station. 自前 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 is mean one's own expense. 自 is mean 自分 which mean somebody, self, and 前 is mean before. And when you put together, it means one's own expense.